Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my other idea to decorate our hook stand. In fact, this is my initial idea, and just because of this idea, I start my hook stand project and make me decide to customize this hook stand with acrylic material. Acrylic is a very expensive material, but because of this idea, to make me decide to make the whole stem, customize the whole stem with this acrylic material, because it can help you to make the hook decoration much more special and unique compared with other metal stem. You can find the reason by watching this tutorial. Okay, now let's get started. First of all, we need to paste this material to the hole. Look at this. Since they already have some group on the back, but on this project, I need to paste this face to the hole, so I need to use the double face tape. But since this material is slim and my double face tape is wide, so I need to cut it out. In fact, you can use some smaller double face tape, but anyway, I will cut it out. Okay, I already placed the double face tape on the inside hook. So I will paste this material on the hook. Okay, start from here. Just tee it off, the double face tape. Okay, then let me install the hook stand. Our hook stand is assembled. This hook can be separated to 3 parts, and we can install it with the screw. It can help you to store the material if you are wedding planner or wedding or event decorator. If you want to know the detail about how to assemble our hook stand, you can check my old video. You can find the link on the information field below this video. Very simple, and that is why I customize the hook stand, special and assemble, can help to save the space when you install them, when you store them. Okay. Okay, then we need to tie the flower wire on this field. Let me put it down. It's very simple, but because I want to take the video, so everything will look very not easy, but actually it's very simple. Okay, just tie the flower white on the hook. On the hook will be okay. Uh, uh, if you want to know how to make the flower white with our flower support white, you can check my old video. Find the link on the information field below this video will be okay. And it's very simple. Just use this wire twist to tie the flower while on the hook will be okay. I will show you the effect. And if you want to know the detail about how to tie the flower while to the hook, you also can check my old video, because if you like my idea, I recommend you to watch all my video. Of course, don't skip the advertisement, so you will know. It will help you much more easy to understand every procedure of my following tutorial. Okay, I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. Look at this. And then I will show you the effect after I turn off the light. Okay, I will show you the effect. Ta-da! This is what I want to make. And because it's very dark, you can put some candle around the table. So because I don't have LED candle here, so I use it. But instead, or maybe I will turn on the light. Okay, I turn on the light. In fact, the effect will be much more pretty. The color is blue, but will be much more blue and pretty than what is shown on the screen. And the color will be much more pretty. In fact, the effect will be much more pretty than what you looking from the screen. Very beautiful. This is the reason why I used the acrylic hoop, because it's transparent, so it can delete the light. But this idea will not suitable in very bright condition environment. The effect will be very magic when it in some romantic environment, a little darker. Put a lot of candle, LED candle around. The effect will be very romantic. And in fact, if you don't like the flower, you can move it off. You don't have to use the flowers. Just put some candle around here. Or maybe put some candle on the table, and you put a cake in front of the hoop. Just in front of the hoop, show the candle around the table, the effect will be very, very magic, very beautiful. And of course, I will, my initial ideas will be, I will be add some light LED letter hanging on the hook. So there's another effect, but I'm still sourcing the material. So once I got the material, I will make another tutorial. I will show you the effect. So keep an eye on my channel, will be good. Okay, since the effect from the screen, the real effect will be much more pretty than what it looked from the screen. So if you want to know the better effect, you can check my Facebook page. I take some picture, will be much pretty. The effect will be much pretty than is shown on the video. The real effect will be pretty than the photo, but the effect on the photo will be much more pretty on the video. And of course, I think I picked the wrong color. Maybe pink color or purple color will be better. We have a lot of color, white, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, orange. You can visit my Facebook page or link to my blog. Find the link on the information field below the video to check all the color will be okay. But there's a shortage about this creation. I will tell you. Okay, now listen. When I turn on the light, you can listen a little noise. Okay, listen. Can you hear the noise? This is the shortage about this idea. When I light up the lights, there are little noise here, so it's not suitable to use a lot of hook in one event. Just one or two will be okay. If you use a lot, the noise is bad. So I'm looking for a way to solve the problem. Maybe you can make the light, the wire longer, so the voice, because the voice was created from this case, battery case, so maybe you extend the light so you can avoid the noise. But anyway, I just tell you the shortage. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.